channel. I hope you all are doing well. For today's video, I'm going to be doing another top 5 under 500. But today's video is pretty special because it's going to be focusing on eye makeup. Why, you ask? Well, let me put it a little subtly. We're in between an airborne global pandemic. I don't think lipsticks right now make a lot of sense because you should be wearing a mask, and if you're sitting at home and you want to play around with lipsticks, well and fine. But if you're going out, please do not risk showing off your lipstick by pulling your mask down. It's not worth it. I'm not going to be doing a makeup with the mask on because I don't see the sense of it. It will get on the mask, it will stain, and I don't know. I just don't see the sense of doing a makeup tutorial for a mask. It's just me, but I don't see the sense of it unless you're getting married in the pandemic, and maybe then it's a different story. But other than that, I really don't see the sense of doing it. So I'm not going to do something just for the views because I need to mentally see why I'm doing something and then do something. But this video is not about why I would or would not be doing a makeup tutorial for a mask. It's about 5 products under ₹500 for your eyes to enhance them up and make them look va-va-voom. My first recommendation is something I've talked about a lot of times, but I don't know why I've never included it in my top 5 under 500. I'm talking about the Maybelline Fashion Brow Pomade. Now, I really like this brow pomade because it's a lazy girl's best friend. All you need to do is apply a little bit on your brows and run a spoolie through it, and you will have a little bit of color as well as your brow hair will stay in place. So if you just want something really quick and easy, get this brow pomade. Next on my recommendation list are these Wet n Wild eyeshadow palettes. They have their 4 pan, their 8 pan and their 10 pan, all under 500 rupees. So if you're a beginner and you want to practice makeup but you don't want to spend a bomb on eyeshadows, check out these Wet n Wild eyeshadows. I also have a tutorial where I create 10 looks using just one palette, this Rose in the Air palette. So you can also check that out for a couple of different ideas of how you can incorporate this eyeshadow palette and create different looks. So definitely if you're looking for affordable eyeshadows with good quality out there, Wet n Wild is your to-go brand. Next up on my list are these glitters by TS Cosmetics. Now these are so beautiful. I've been obsessed with them. I'm actually wearing this shade on my lid right now and it just looks so gorgeous. I love how this looks on my eyes. Now she has these beautiful glitters. Some of them are loose and some of them have a base to them, so you don't need another glitter glue for packing these on. So definitely make sure you read the descriptions as well. She does have a separate line of pressed down glitters, which again are under 500 rupees. So all of them are pretty budget products. What's the best thing about them is that you don't need to do a lot with these glitters because they speak for themselves. For example, I just have one eyeshadow all over my lid, one eyeshadow, one orange eyeshadow, and I just pack this on top of it and done. So these are a definite must buy if you're someone who loves glitter or goes out to a lot of parties or has a lot of functions to event but doesn't want to spend so much time on their makeup, because this would be a showstopper. Then I have Nykaa's Glamorized Kajals with me right here. Now these are pigmented, they're creamy, they're smooth, and they actually show up on our skin. Now the skin around our eye is generally a lot more darker because we have dark circles, because we don't sleep, we don't drink enough water, genes, whatnot. And that's why a lot of colors actually don't end up showing on our eyes as they would on a pencil. But these ones are supremely pigmented. Once they're set, they do not budge all day, all night, and they have some gorgeous colors in there as well. All under a budget, and if you can find it on discount, then even better. And the last recommendation on today's list is another product that I don't know why I've never included in my top 5 under 500. It's the Good Old Volume Colossal Mascara by Maybelline. Not Big Shot, not Magnum Barbie, just the pure Good Old Colossal Mascara by Maybelline. This just makes your lashes look so good. Maybelline knows its mascaras. Some other companies are doing really good mascaras under a budget. If you don't want to go for Maybelline, are Rimmel, even Wet n Wild, double XL mascaras are good. I dropped my mascara, but that's a definite Shreya thing to do. So yeah, I'm just gonna finish up this video because it's gonna be awkward if I pick it up and just cut it into the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it was helpful for you guys. I'll see you guys next time. Till then, keep your masks on, stay home, stay safe. I love you all so much. Mwah. Bye.